Welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you through an incredible transformation of a 2023 Chevy Silverado pickup that had a serious encounter on the road. The front bumper, hood, grille, and fenders of this beautiful Silverado were severely damaged in an accident. As you can see, the front bumper was completely crushed, the hood was bent out of shape, the grille was shattered, and the fenders were badly dented. The experts at Miracle Body and Paint got to work immediately. They meticulously dismantled the damaged parts, ensuring every piece was accounted for and ready for replacement. New parts were ordered and installed with precision. The new front bumper, hood, grille, and fenders were fitted perfectly. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the big reveal. Look at that! The 2023 Chevy Silverado is back to its original, stunning condition. You'd never guess it was in such a bad accident. The front bumper looks brand new, the hood is flawlessly smooth, the grille is intact and gleaming, and the fenders are perfectly aligned. This remarkable transformation was made possible by the skilled team at Miracle Body and Paint. If you ever find yourself in need of collision repair in San Antonio, choose Miracle Body and Paint. We work miracles every day.